Hello, hi Dan. So we're going to discuss how to solve this trigonometry question. So again, you can pause the video to read the question and have a go. And then you can drag to the back to see the answer, or you can watch the following video for the operation, the step, the process to get to the answer. Okay, assume you have read the question. Now, you have to put the question in a diagram, illustrate it so that you do not miss the important information, and it also helps you to clarify and recognize what is the right ratio to use. So first of all, it said the diagonals make 55 degree with the width. So let's say this is the width, and then this the diagonals make 55 degree. So as a rectangle, that's why you have a right angle triangle. Yeah. So a rectangle is cut into two pieces of right angle triangle. So, and the length of the gate is 1.2 meters. Now, as the question says nearest centimeter, I would like to change it to centimeter before my calculation, or you can change it afterwards. So it's completely up to you. Now, this is what, let's label the name, the side of this right angle triangle. So the longest one, which opposite the right angle, is labeled as hypotenuse, the longest of the right angle triangle. And the one far opposite to the angle given, it's opposite. That's why the name is given. And the one next to it, the line, it's called adjacent. I mean, this line. Yeah. All right. Now, we are looking for the diagonals. Let's label X here. So we involve H and O. H and O. Nothing's given for adjacent, so leave it up behind. Try to think about sine, cosine, and tangent. Pick the right rule that involve hypotenuse and opposite. What is that? Yes, that's right. Sine. Sine is the one that link. All right, so we're putting 120 over x, the opposite over the hypotenuse. Let's remind sine is defined as opposite over hypotenuse. And now we are doing algebraic process. So divided by x become multiply x. X sine 55 degree equal to 120. So this is multiply to get x is 120 divided by sine 55 degree. Now type this in the calculator. So don't forget to, if you have a calculator show you syntax error, you probably need to close bracket after 55. Yeah. Now, if your calculator shows 146.49 ... good, you're on the right track. And then let's round to the nearest centimeter. So it's 146 cm. Done. Now let's move on to the second question. Here, pause the video and continue when you're ready. All right, I assume you have read the question. So number one, oh, this one has diagram provided. Thank you. So you don't have to draw over again. So the length of the diameter AC. So in the circle question, you're able to identify where are the radius. OB is a radius. Do not forget, OC is a radius as well. See, OC, OA, they are all radius. Therefore, the diameter AC is simply twice of the radius, 16. Got it? Now B, the length of the chord AB. They even label X for you. Great, thank you. So now, I hope you can see the triangle. Yeah, if the line is too confused for you, you can redraw again. So AB is X that we're looking for, and AC, normally question in A, it's also, it's a help for you to continue B. Yeah, see, we have redrawn the diagram. And 54, it's here. So let's repeat. Let's label the name of the side. Oh, this is 60 is opposite for the 90 degrees. So it's the longest. So it's hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. And X is just immediately next to the angle 55. So it is adjacent. Now pick. Okay. Pick again the ratio, sine, cosine, and tangent. Which one involve A and H? Yes, that's right. Cosine 54 degree equal x over 16. Yeah, so to get x, it is 16 multiply cos 54. So cos 54, ta-da, you get 9.404. And then you round to one decimal place as the question requests, cm, one decimal place. Okay, you may pause the video, write your notes before you continue the third question. Okay, are you ready for third question? Oh, sorry. Let's try this to something else. The angle between a vertical and a slant edge of a cone is 24 degrees. So this is a 2D cross-sectional view of a cone. So we know a cone look like this. Yeah, okay. So the diameter is over here and the perpendicular height is over here. Okay, and this is slant edge. So let's again put all the information on the diagram. So the slant edge and vertical form 24 degree. I can mark here 24 degree. Perpendicular height is 9 cm. Perpendicular, that's why from 90 degree. What else? That's all right. Calculate the length of diameter. Diameter here. Here's the diameter. Yeah. But we need a right angle triangle to help you. So I'm going to use only half of the triangle, which is right angle triangle. Okay, so let's label this as X. Yeah. Again, label the name of the side. X is opposite of 24 degree, and 9 is just immediately next to 24. It's adjacent, and this is hypotenuse opposite of 90 degree, and yet it's the longest length, longest side. All right, now we can choose. Oh, choose O and A. O is what you're looking for. A is what is given. H has nothing to do with this question, so leave it behind. Think about sine, cos, tangent. Which one? Pause the video. Okay, yes, that's right. Tangent. So you write down tangent 24 degree equal opposite over adjacent. The ratio is opposite over adjacent. Now, tangent 24, it's a ratio, right? It's stored in the calculator. So x equals, so divided by 9 times tangent 24. Calculator has stored the ratio. So when you type in the calculator, it will help you to work out how much is the corresponding length. Do you get 4.007? You can round to 4. Yeah, 4 cm. But it's too close to, if you round to one decimal place, it's 4 cm, 4.0. Now be careful. Many students stop after this. Oh, move on to the next question. You haven't finished yet, guys. Come back. So they're asking for diameter. Diameter is twice of the x. So 2 times 4.0. It is 8.0 centimeter. But I'm not going to write 0.0 because the question asked me to round to the nearest centimeter. So I have to write 8 centimeter. Got it? So I hope these 3 questions give you an idea how to do problem solving involve trigonometry. Okay.